Hi, investing in mutual fund was always tricky for me. I want to ensure that my mutual fund is safe. I want to ensure that my fund is in the right scheme, giving me the expected returns. There are over 2,500 schemes available. How do I choose the suitable fund for me? The fund should help me to achieve my financial target, that is lump sum for my daughter's marriage after 15 years. So, how do I identify a fund which will fulfill this requirement? How do I keep track of my fund's performance? How to invest intelligently in mutual funds? Presented to you by KCAN's Wealth Spikes. All of us will have genuine doubts like, are you facing the dilemma when it comes to investing lump sum amount, for example say 5 to 10 lakhs or even more in one go? Yes, of course I have faced. We want to invest in equities, but aren't we afraid of volatility? Yes, of course I am very afraid. Market goes ups and downs are very common in the market. We want to capture growth of the market, but we want to protect against downfall, correct? Yes, of course. Whenever the market appreciates, my fund will also appreciate. But whenever the market goes down, I want to ensure that my fund is protected adequately so that my fund doesn't go down. Yes, of course, I have this fear. We want to invest in best equity mutual fund schemes at all times, correct? Yes, of course. I want to invest only in the best equity mutual fund schemes. As a qualified personal finance professional, I was able to get a solution for this because we were taught how to identify the right kind of funds and how to manage funds properly. How I could overcome the above challenges and create wealth for my clients. A unique solution. I have my clients invest in Dynamic Asset Allocation Portfolio. What is a Dynamic Asset Allocation Portfolio? DAA. Asset allocation of your portfolio is managed in line with the market movement based on solid research. It increases equity exposure when markets are low and decreases exposure when markets are high. This helps in capturing the upside in the market while protecting the downside. Also, the money is invested in consistently performing schemes. The non-performing schemes, if any, in the portfolio are replaced with better schemes on an annual basis. The asset allocation rebalancing is done on a half-yearly basis, that is once in 6 months. What are the advantages? Let us look at the benefits also. No worry about market volatility and you have got protection against market downfall. I don't have to bother whether the market goes up or goes down because the system is there to take care of my requirement. No need to time the market. I don't have to bother when to enter the market or when to exit the market. System is taking care of it. No worry about scheme selection. Based on my need, the system is able to give me a suitable scheme. No worry about scheme performance. System is able to track the performance also. Automatic switch from debt, that is arbitrage, to equities when markets are low and vice versa. That is, whenever the markets are up, the focus is more towards equity to appreciate the fund so that the fund appreciates very well at par with the market growth. Whenever the market goes down, your fund is protected with enough debt funds. That's what is conveyed here. It can happen vice versa. Better risk adjusted returns. The portfolio has given 15% CAGR since inception with average equities being 47%. Please make a note. That is, you are exposing your fund to the extent of 47% only to the market and you are able to get almost 100% market return with just 47% exposure of the fund. Important point. Returns are as of Jan 2021 and inception month is December 2013. Hassle-free transactions. The portfolio is offered on a digital platform. It is on an e-wealth platform, and you can access this investment and rebalancing on a click of a button from your desktop or smartphone or any other device. So all your investments you can capture in one e-wealth account, and the dashboard is always there in front of you through your mobile or through your desktop. Switch and forget. Now you can migrate your existing lump sum portfolio into dynamic asset allocation and leave behind your worries. Everything is being taken care, even for your existing fund, whatever you have. Watch your wealth grow. As the core of the portfolio management is based on the rules-based investing. You just love to watch your wealth grow. Of course, you would also get to authorize rebalancing, scheme changes, etc. If you want to know more about wealth creation with mutual funds, come and join us please in the Saturday Digital School. Mr. Nilesh Shah, who is an authority in mutual funds, he is the MD and CEO of Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund. He is going to address us 5th June, Saturday between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Do click on the link given below in the description and you can register for the event. You will be getting the invite link. It is a very important event because he has taught many of us as qualified personal finance professionals. He has taken classes for us. He has taken classes for equity managers, fund managers, and all of us used to listen to his classes with pin drop silence. He is an authority in the subject. You can learn extremely well. This is a very good opportunity for you. Please don't miss this. If you want to know more about mutual funds, you are most welcome. You can connect with us. You can send us a WhatsApp message 91769 40089. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Bye-bye.